What's good, y'all? It's Fresco VK for Stadium Goods, and today we're unboxing some hype for the holidays with the Air Jordan 2 Off-White Black and Royal. I know y'all want to see what that looks like, so say less or let's talk, and yo, let's get straight to these shoes. Back at it again as we transition out of the spooky times of Halloween into the holiday, and Nike and Off-White are back. Now, we've seen several collaborative efforts between the two brands, but nothing quite like this. 3 pairs of Jordan 1s, a pair of Jordan 4s, 2 pairs of Jordan 5s, and let's not talk about the 50 pairs of Dunks that we got just a few months back. And that's just to name a few, but since 2018, we know that they have been striking gold. But Virgil is a part of a creative collective that changed the face of fashion and sneakers. That collective includes Heron Preston, Kanye West, Jerry Lorenzo, Don C. Y'all see where I'm going here, right? This Air Jordan 2 is one of the most obscure takes we've gotten to Jordan. Now, this is the first Off-White Jordan collab that we've seen since October 2020 when we got the sale Air Jordan 5. The Air Jordan 2 is the first Italian-made performance basketball shoe, so from its inception, it immediately screams high fashion. But let's take a look at this box. Keeps OG elements of the box, of course, and it has the new off-white windows that we are so common to seeing with off-white box styles. So let's get to these shoes, but before we get there, the packaging is actually really cool. These come in like Ziploc bags that feature all the Off-White and Nike branding there. But let's get to these shoes and jump in the comments and let me know what you think. But here we have the Black and Royal Off-White Air Jordan 2. This non-OG colorway draws inspiration from some classic Jordan archives, but because it's a non-OG, it took some slack when it first hit the net. But Virgil took to social media letting his fans know that this color represents progression. And to be stuck in the past is almost scary. Matter of fact, it may be criminal, according to Virgil. However, as we get to the upper, you'll see the full leather upper there. We have the gold or the yellowish gold zip tie, the Michael Jordan signature right there on the outer panel of the shoe. We have the Wings logo on the tongue, which is finished by the blue lace. We have the faux crackle with the black and yellow tint in that midsole area. We have the blue pull tab. And as we get to the insole, it features the Jumpman logo along with a silhouette of a face, which I think is the ghost of Michael Jordan, but that's neither here nor there. Do not quote me on that. But as we get to the outsole, you'll see the royal, black, and gray hits throughout that entire outsole. And these also come with 2 additional sets of laces, the red and the black. Now, this shoe does come in 2 colorways. It comes in the white sail and red and the black and royal. There are signatures in 2 different locations on both shoes. So on the white and red, it's in a different location, and the signature on the black and royal is on this mid outer panel right there that you see. And here you have one last look at the Black and Royal Off-White Air Jordan 2. And jump in the comments and let me know what you guys think. You feeling the white and red? You feeling the black and royal? I'm not sure which one I'm going with yet, but we will have both styles right here at Stadium Goods, located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area, or 60 East Walton Street in Chicago's Gold Coast area, and tell them that Fresco sent you. But if you cannot make it to a location, visit stadiumgoods.com or download the Stadium Goods app, available on iOS and on Android, because we update the app daily with kicks, fits, and apparel, all from Stadium Goods. I am Fresco VK. This has been the Off-White Air Jordan 2. Salud.